Hey everyone, here we are at the Advent Christmas Kitchen with Daniel Kligmann, our resident Chopped Junior champion. How was it to win Chopped Junior, dude?
Oh, it was fantastic.
Well, today we're here to make a Christmas recipe. Advent is this time that we're preparing for the birth of Jesus, as you know, and we have this great Advent experience here at the Adventure that we're sharing with people. And one aspect is putting together a recipe that kids and adults can make together. So what are we making today?
Oh, we're making caramel corn.
Ooh.
So I must say though, this deals with a lot of really hot things. So we are going to make sure that you have a parent with you. And that's not just a suggestion. If you're gonna make this, you have to have a parent with you, just because of how dangerous it is to cook this one.
I just want to know, is this gonna smell and taste like the one that you get at the mall when you're at the mall?
No, it's gonna be so much better.
So much better? Good.
Oh, yeah.
Because you can't go to the mall right now,
Yeah,
right?
exactly.
So this is awesome. Okay.
Let's
do it.
It's great as a gift too for people. I love it. All right, so we're going to start with our melted butter right here on the stove. This is 1 cup of melted butter. So we're going to go ahead and come over here.
Okay.
I'm going to add 2 1/4 cups of brown sugar.
Can I mix that for you?
If you would, I would love it. Thank you. And you know, I'm going to switch from a whisk to a wooden spoon in just a second because this is candy and you have to use a wooden spoon for candy. So my grandma told me that.
What's that?
This right here is 1 can of sweetened condensed milk.
Whoa.
We're going to add all of it.
This is, I would say this is not in the healthy category, just the tasty category.
It's not healthy even a little bit. Not even slightly.
It's perfect for
healthy.
Christmas because there's not many healthy things you eat for Christmas.
No, not at all.
Brussels sprouts, maybe.
Yeah, for real. I'm gonna add this last one of sweetened condensed milk.
Wow, it already looks like caramel.
Yeah. Butter and
What
sugar.
does that taste like?
Well, it's very creamy and very sweet.
Whoa, that is really sweet.
Yeah. And then
Tasty though.
now 1 cup of corn syrup. I know this is ridiculously not healthy. Like, if we have only added sugar and butter right now.
Kids, tell your parents how healthy this dish is and you'll be able to make it. It's okay.
But don't worry, it's being spread over popcorn, and corn is a vegetable. This ingredient is incredibly important. It is salt. Now, salt in a sweet dish doesn't make a lot of sense. However, it is by far one of the most important ingredients in caramel. To sprinkle all of the salt on paper towel. Oops. A lot of this, by the way. Hope you guys know that.
Well, we need a lot of caramel popcorn. Okay. Let's see how I did.
All right. This is going to be done probably in about, I'm going to say 30 more seconds.
So they want to pop 3 bags of popcorn? Is what you think is good?
I do think that's good. Yeah, 3 bags of popcorn is exactly what you need to be popping for this amount of caramel. So now I'm going to test the caramel one more time and just take a peek. Almost ready, but not quite. Oh, nope, not quite ready.
You better hurry because I'm eating the popcorn.
Ira, stop eating the popcorn!
It was really good.
No! Keep your hands out of the popcorn. That's for the caramel corn. Don't you want it to be caramel corn. We need you to grab a metal spoon. It's important that you use a metal one. Because you don't want to melt the plastic.
Oh, don't worry.
All right, go ahead and start stirring the popcorn as I add it in slowly.
Oops.
Now this part is especially, you need to especially do it with a parent because I know. It's very messy and this is very, very, very hot.
This is gorgeous.
I would have felt very,
my
very
goodness.
bad.
I had no idea this was going to be so good.
Yeah, it looks so delicious right now.
My
I'm
family's
so
going to
excited.
really like this when I take it home.
No, I'm taking it home. No, I'm just kidding. We were making plenty to share. So me, Ira, and the great camera crew behind there, he's going to take some home too. And we're all going to share with our families. We'll just hide it in our room so we can have it to ourselves.
Speaking of sharing, you know, we have this Advent event that we're doing, and part of it is a love challenge. And this is a great recipe to be able to make, and you can make even a bigger batch, like a double batch, and you could share it with a neighbor or a friend or a coworker, and it'd be some blessing for them during the holiday season, especially this year, which is such a hard year for everybody. So I want to encourage you to take the Advent Love Challenge and double this recipe and share it with those around you.
Okay, and we are going to go ahead and taste this really hot caramel.
Oh man, that is fantastic.
It's so good.
That's better than any caramel corn I ever tasted. And I love that it's not hard.
Yeah.
That it's soft. That makes it so much better.
There's one more thing that I like doing to the caramel corn.
Oh.
I love salted caramel. It's one of my favorite things. So just sprinkle some salt over the caramel
Chef
corn.
trick. Should I mix it?
No, don't mix it.
Don't mix.
Yeah, because it's.
I want to try with the salt.
Yeah, it's good when you. It's really good when you just get an occasional one with some salt on it.
That's so good.
It is very good. And our cameraman right over there is getting all jealous of us eating this in front of him.
Thank you, Daniel. This is a great recipe. It's a great opportunity for families to do something together for Advent, and also to be able to share this as a love challenge to reach out to people at Christmas. Merry Christmas,
Merry
everybody.
Christmas.
Thanks, Daniel.
Of course.
This was awesome.